Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today we've got a super handy guide for all you Apple AirPods owners out there who want to enhance your TV watching experience. We'll be showing you how to connect your Apple AirPods to an LG TV. Before we dive into the process, make sure your AirPods are charged and in pairing mode. If you're unsure how to do that, simply open the lid of the AirPods case and press the button on the back until the LED light starts flashing. Step 1. Accessing TV settings. First, power on your LG TV and press the settings button on the remote control. Navigate to the All Settings option. It might be called something slightly different depending on your LG TV model, but it usually includes the word Settings. Step 2. Enabling Bluetooth. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Sound or Sound Out option. Here, you'll find the Bluetooth settings. Select Sound Out and then choose LG SoundSync Bluetooth. Step 3. Pairing AirPods. Now, it's time to pair your AirPods. Make sure your AirPods are still in pairing mode. On the TV, select Device Selection and then choose LG HBS LG Tone Free. Your TV will start searching for available devices. Once your AirPods appear on the list, select them to establish the connection. Step 4. Testing the connection. Congratulations. Your AirPods are now connected to your LG TV. To ensure everything is working perfectly, play a video or some music on your TV. Conclusion. And there you have it. Connecting your Apple AirPods to an LG TV is that simple. I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your TV audio experience. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Smart Home for more tech tutorial, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.